Hi, I'm Rachel from Other Ways to Walk, and I've brought you on my walk today into the woods near Home Firth, where I walk regularly, just to give you a little flavour of what's happening in this part of the world at the moment. Obviously I can't bring groups out into the woods at the moment, so although there are groups going out together, because I can see one down on the path down there now, but yeah, I just wanted to sort of give you a sense of the woodlands, and see how it works doing it online. So I've had a really beautiful walk. It's about 5 o'clock in the evening. It's taken me about half an hour to get down into this part of the woods, and for the last 10 minutes it maybe, or last little while, I was sort of serenaded by a robin and escorted along the path by probably a fairly territorial robin, which was a lovely companion. And I've just been sat watching blue tits gathering nesting material. So there's a lot of busyness, a lot of energy in the woods at the moment, with all the nesting activity. Obviously the birds are not laying their eggs yet. The blue tits need to time the birth of the chicks exactly to when there's a real abundance of insects. And there are a few little flyy things just, there's a it's a tree creeper. Sorry, yeah, catching the light, I can see a few little flies, but we're certainly not at peak time yet for blue tits. Anyway, so I'm hoping I can give you a bit of a flavour of what it's like to be here. If you were here in person with me, I would guide a mindful meditation now, and we can't quite do that. But I'm going to just turn the camera away, give you opportunity to just take in the view that I'm taking in, and we'll see how it goes. Okay. Try and get out of shot. So I'm just coming to rest now against this beautiful knobbly tree trunk of this beech tree. Just relaxing and opening up to the sounds around me, to the dogs in the distance. Noticeably less cars than I would expect at this time of night normally. Lovely song of the chiff-chaff, recently returned from warmer climes. And just lots of lovely, really energetic, full-throated song from lots of birds in an otherwise really still evening. So the tree branches are barely moving. It's really soft light coming through the trees, but steady and even. I can really still feel the warmth of it on my left side, my left cheek. Really all the sense of energy and activity is in the sounds around me this evening. A solitary bee humming around this tree. It feels like a particular kind of stillness. There's a sort of feeling of anticipation. Of spring. There are tiny shoots on the ground, buds on the trees. Gentle energy of the spring sun just starting to warm the ground and stir the life within. Which for me brings a real sense of joy, actually. Sometimes when there are challenges in our lives and in the world, we can be holding ourselves so tightly braced against them that we sort of forget to notice nice sensations, lovely things. And actually just at this moment, things couldn't be better. Everything is exactly as it needs to be. Even that motorbike. So I'm just going to invite you now to just give yourself a moment to take 2 or 3 deeper breaths, slowly and deeply enough to really notice the sensations in the body with the out breath. Perhaps it's possible to feel a sense of opening, softening, just letting go. And just with each out breath, as I can feel myself surrendering into the earth, into the tree, relaxing and becoming aware that birds and squirrels are moving nearer to me, being drawn in. There's almost a feeling of dissolving. And now, just before I turn the camera off, I'm going to do a practice that I do daily, which is a gratitude practice. It's known and proven that people who notice things in their lives that they feel grateful for actively and with intent actually experience less depression, less anxiety. And I just do it because it feels nice. So I'm inviting you to take the opportunity just to notice something in your life that you feel grateful for. Feel the sensations in the body of gratitude. Notice how that feels. And enjoy it. So that was my little introduction to being in the woods with me. Let me know what you thought, if you enjoyed it, and if you want to see more. Okay, thanks.